Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this slide. Let's take a look. Okay, I close it. I don't know how and it's pretty questionable, but let's start. You see 1, 2 and 3. The effect is pretty nice. Let's see how we can create them. At first we need to insert a blank space. I just simply insert a photo and then apply it to all for the background for this effect. Nothing special. So how we can create this shape? It's just easy. You need to use this shape. You see the shape is created, but as you may understand or may see, the shape is not the shape we want. Let me just by shift hold it here and copy the text. The text is here. Okay, let's put some enter here. See, the shape is here, but its look is not even near beautiful of the effect we have. So for that, let's create all the shapes at first. Let me create this tree as the same and increase its size. What I do, I simply select all of them, then format object here. I'm going to use solid fill. Let's select all of them. Solid fill, and the solid fill I'm going to use, for example, black, but with a little difference. I'm going to reduce the transparency to the color I want, so it has the glass effect I like. For example, let's go with the green, or if you want yellow is going to work well. But there is another way to make it look better, is that to select all the things and white them up. Now you can use something that dark like this and create a look like this. Now the problem is here, this thing is not aligned very well. We need to make it look better. Because of what? Because of these things. And a little enter on here. Now everything is looking great. I copy that. And here just simply you can put them out and let them come in like here all at once or each one time, and set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. Your slide is ready and as beautiful as always. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice